Meaning of frontal lobe.
Frontal lobe.
Frontal lobe.
Frontal lobe.
Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is one of the four main lobes of the brain, and it is located behind the forehead. It plays a vital role in various cognitive skills such as decision-making, problem-solving, memory retrieval, attention, and personality development. Damage to the frontal lobe can result in difficulties with these skills, including changes in behavior and personality. The frontal lobe is also responsible for the planning and execution of voluntary movements, and it is considered to be a crucial region for social behavior and emotional regulation. In summary, the frontal lobe is a crucial part of the brain that is responsible for a wide range of cognitive and motor functions.